Welcome back, my home cooks and chef. Today this video is gonna be, a demonstration of how to, mop over some chicken wings with my mop sauce. So you definitely gotta have a mop, or if you have a, the real type of mop, but just get one like this, and you gotta have my jerk sauce. I am gonna be coming out with, a video on a tutorial how to make it. I'm gonna give you all my secrets, but also too, it's gonna be up for sale very soon, my mop sauce. But let's get into it, so let's open up, and put these wings in on the grill. These are already marinated. You don't need, you can season with whatever you want to. You can, if you want to add extra spice, you can add, some, some jerk season on there, but I'm not, because this is just spicy enough that we're gonna be mopping on. So let me put this in there. So what you want to do is you want to have your Ninja Foodi grill on, high for about 15 minutes. So it's finished already pre-prepping to cook. One thing I do like about this, I swear by this Ninja Foodi grill. You guys, if you don't have one, you better get one. Seriously, this one is a lifesaver, especially for those that don't know how to grill or don't know how to, don't want to mess with a, barbecue pit. This is perfect for indoors. Let me shake up a little bit more. Make sure you get all your ingredients in and stuff like that in it. You see it's sizzling, so it's sounding good. So that means it's ready. Don't forget to get something to put your mop sauce in. I'm gonna tell you like this: when you're dealing with chicken, do not, and I'll repeat again, do not, for safety reasons, stick your mop back in a jar. Put this thing in something separately. You don't want to cross-contaminate anything. You don't want to kill nobody. You don't want to get nobody sick. So make sure you put your mop sauce, get a bowl, something, and put it in there when you mop it in over. That's anything, even barbecue sauce. And do not put it back, please, do not put it back in the jar to try to save or whatever like that. If you want to, what you can do is you can cook this down, and then use it as a marinade, once the chicken is done. But do not put it back in there. Just had to repeat that because some people, they don't realize how salmonella work. I'm gonna close it down, you guys. Let it get to cooking. But like I said, people don't know how it works, and it's very dangerous. When I was in culinary school, that was one key thing, is to make sure that you do not cross-contaminate any type of food with anything, because that's the first way somebody can get sick, you guys. So what I'm gonna do is let this cook, and then I'll show you in a minute me mopping it on again, because you want to mop it on a few times. All right, you guys, so I gave it about 2 minutes to get ready to mop it and stuff like that. So this is gonna be my last mop before I flip the chicken. So just mop it on. If you don't want it too spicy, you don't have to mop it as much as I'm doing, but I like a little kick in my jerk chicken. This is jerk, so we don't play with it. Hey, I gotta do it the Jamaican way. So, gotta Jamaican me happy. All right, so we're gonna let this, finish off in the Ninja Foodi grill. When it gets to the halfway point, which probably is gonna be in the next 2 minutes, we're gonna flip it over, and I'm gonna mop it one more time. All right, you guys, so I'm about to flip it over. Do one last more mop. Oh, it's smelling good, y'all. Flip it up, turn them over. Now, if you don't want to do this, you don't have to. This is what I do. I want to make sure all of everything is seasoned, well on these jerk wings. If you just want to be lazy that day and don't look, let me just let it cook. You ain't got to stop mop it. You can just do it, your way. But, like, what was it? Burger King, have it your way. So we're gonna mop it on. This is gonna be the last mop that I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna let it finish cooking all the way through. All right, you guys, so just wanna, like I said, this is a jerk mop video demonstrating how to mop it. For those that want to, like I said, pursue and, purchase the mop sauce, this is how you do it if you're doing it. But you do the same method you would do if you were putting it on a grill outside. Now, Jamaican folks, don't come for me. I know real jerk is supposed to be outside on a grill with charcoal. So I know that. But for those that don't want to be outside and for those that don't want to do that and they want to have a quick way to do it, this is one way to do it. But I will be showing how to use my mop sauce on a grill with charcoal in it, doing hot and fast. So I'll see you when this is done. All right, so wings are done. I know y'all hear them, it's sounding good. Came out perfect, got a little stickiness to it, which is always good. That's from the brown sugar, you know, so I think I did pretty good, you guys, on this Ninja Foodi Smart Grill. It's XL grill, so if you're looking it up to want to get one, definitely check it out. I should be having some links below as far as in the bio if you want to look for one for yourself, but definitely check it out. But hope you guys like this video. You know, like I said, this video was particularly not about the jerk chicken. That was just a plus, but it was actually about demonstrating how to mop my mop sauce for those that will be purchasing this. You know what I'm saying? Also. All right, you guys. So let's get to taking a bite. Are you guys, leave in the comments, are you a flats? You know what I'm saying? Are you a drumlet? Which one you like? You like the little drums or you like the flats? You know, I'm a drum guy. So, you know what I'm saying? Wifey, she's a flats, you know. I don't know why. I think because we got more bone, but whatever. All right, let's take a bite, guys. Sorry about chewing. Pretty good. You know what I'm saying? Not too hot. Got the jerk essence that I'm looking for. So I just wanted to try it out and see how it tastes without adding the jerk seasoning on there. So with the jerk marinade, and you know, with this little mop sauce, excellent. So next time what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna marinate it in that and see how it come out. But it come out excellent, guys. You know, if you tried this out or you got another way you do your jerk, please feel free to leave a comment in the bottom below. Also too, for those that are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. And if you guys wanna join our Patreon, definitely go over there and join our membership. I really appreciate that as well. It goes a long way with our channel. It helps out being able to buy this type of food to show you guys how to do home cooked meals at ease. So you guys, this is your boy KC, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I gotta get to eating this.